Louder, louder.
Similar topic is logical positivism. Logical positivism was marketed during the 20th century European philosophy.
Thoda louder. Speak louder. So tomorrow if you become a teacher.
Every day, every participant says they are sick.
Yes. But,
particularly those who present, they become sick.
when I applying BITS plan, they were checking first my health thing, whether I am able to shout more, my health conditions. That also a very important criteria to shortlist.
Logical positivism was marketed during the 20th century European philosophy. It was also called logical neo-positivism or neo-empiricism. Logical positivism took initiative in developing existentialism. Logical positivism
Again I am
is
saying.
a of philosophy which carries certain doctrines instead of its definite conception of reality or the theory of knowledge. They advocate the unique conception of knowledge using scientific models as objects. They oppose metaphysics, which aims at going beyond sensible world and explaining the transcendental reality. The main members of logical positivism are Morris Street, Rudolf Gardner, Herbert Sage, A.J.I.A., J. Philip Frank, Otto Neurath, some others. And they all are come under this group of Vienna Circle. The Vienna Circle was started 20th century. Logical positivism come and existent with establishment of Vienna Circle. Then the Vienna Circle is a group of philosophers which philosophical elite who met under the chairmanship of Moltke, who was the chair of philosophy in the University of Vienna. The period between 1913 and 1939 was the golden age of Vienna Circle. Many top intellects joined in the movement of best known members of the groups of Moltke, Rudolf Gardner, A.J. J. Herbert Sage. Logical positivism consists of intellect and mathematicians, scientists and philosophers. They began meeting under the Vienna, the leadership of German philosopher and physicist. Mostly, they discussed the implication of recent development in logical initiated by Gottlob Frege, Bernard Russell and Ludwig Wittgenstein. They started to contemplate the possibility of systematic reduction of human knowledge to logical and scientific methods. According to logical positivism, science alone is capable to provide universal and certain knowledge. They followed the Wittgenstein argument and declared that philosophy is not a science and there are no philosophical theories and philosophy does not contribute to increasing the human knowledge. The philosophy should be logically clarify of language. They should be contain the clarifications of meaning of word and also should show what word denote the term immediate experience. Impossibility of metaphysics. By metaphysician, logical positivism means any theory of reality beyond or behind what can be grasped by experience. They consider metaphysics as non-sense. Non-sense means non-sense or non-experimental, which means not about sense experience. Philosophy is harmonized and synthesized systematic knowledge. Philosophy, according to A.J.I.A., the fundamental postulate of metaphysics is a superphenomenal reality and describe metaphysics as the reality lying beyond experience and therefore analytic proposition which should be verified by empirical observation. It is not a metaphysical. Logical positives consider metaphysics as impossible. This is very much different from the view of Hume and Kant. Most of the early thinkers regarding metaphysics question about trans-phenomenal reality insoluble because the limitations of human knowledge. Which positives regard this question of meaningless combinations of words. Logical positives come to this conclusion, general empirical conclusion that all knowledge ultimately depend upon sense experience. Logical analysis of language. The linguistic statement we find that compound one can be ultimately and resolved into simple one by immediate sense experience. Morality and other positives influenced by Wittgenstein hold that structure of all meaningful language are
1 minute. Emma, yeah, you can continue.
Morality and other positives influenced by Wittgenstein holds that structure of all meaningful language represent
Then in next slide. Okay.
Opposite of such propositions become inconceivable. Some positives like AJIF hold that